What's the situation this time?
You're shopping at the world's craziest market where the fruits talk.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, friends. Today we're going shopping. Not in a mall, not in a supermarket, but in the market.
That's right. Today's lesson is all about buying food and groceries, asking for prices, and talking to shopkeepers, all in English.
And don't worry, it'll be fun, easy, and full of practice.
Let's grab our shopping bags and go to the English market. Let's start with some words you hear at the market. Repeat after us.
A market. A shop. A shopkeeper. A customer. A basket. A bag. A kilo. Money. Price. Cheap. Expensive.
Good. Now let's make some sentences. The market is busy. The shopkeeper is friendly. I have a basket. The apples are cheap. The mangoes are expensive.
Your turn, listener. Repeat after us.
Pause.
Excellent! You're speaking like a real shopper.
Now let's learn the names of fruits and vegetables.
Apple. Banana. Orange. Mango. Grapes. Pineapple. Watermelon. Strawberry. Vegetables. Tomato. Potato. Onion. Carrot. Cucumber. Lettuce. Pepper. Garlic.
Nice. Now let's put them in short sentences. I like apples. She's buying tomatoes. The carrots are fresh. The watermelon is big.
Your turn. Say, I'm buying blank. Perfect. You sound like a healthy shopper.
Okay, now we'll talk about money and prices. When you're in a market, you can ask, how much is it? Or, how much are these?
Let's repeat together.
Both.
How much is it? How much are these?
Now the shopkeeper might say, it's $2. They're $5. It's 10 euros.
Let's practice with some examples. Anna, how much are the apples?
They're $2 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, some bananas, please.
That's $3.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's learn some helpful shopping sentences. Repeat after us.
Both. Can I have some apples, please? How much is it? Can I pay by cash? Can I pay by card? That's too expensive. It's cheap. Can you give me a bag, please? Thank you very much. Perfect. And remember, please and thank you always make your English sound friendly.
At the fruit stall. Good morning. What would you like today?
Good morning. Can I have some oranges, please?
Sure. How many?
1 kilo, please. How much is it?
It's $3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Anything else?
Yes. Some apples, please.
Of course. That's $5 in total.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Comparing prices. Mark, the tomatoes here are expensive.
How much are they?
$4 a kilo.
Oh no. Let's check the next stall.
Here, they're only $2.
Perfect. Let's buy them here and save money for ice cream.
Good idea.
Let's practice numbers for shopping. Repeat after us.
Both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, some bigger ones. 20, 30, 50, 100.
Now let's do short sentences. It's $5. They're 10 euros. I have 20 pounds. This costs 30 lira.
Now you try, listener. Excellent!
All right, Anna, time for our funny imagination moment.
Uh-oh. What's the situation this time?
You're shopping at the world's craziest market where the fruits talk.
Okay, let's go. Hello, Apple. You look tasty.
Thank you, but please don't eat me.
I just want to buy you.
Hey, I'm yellow and sweet. Choose me instead.
Oh no, now the banana is jealous.
Marquez Watermelon, stop fighting. I'm the biggest fruit here.
This market is crazy, but at least they all speak English.
See? Even fruits want to practice.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned market and shopping vocabulary, shopkeeper, basket, cheap, expensive, fruits and vegetables, apple, carrot, tomato, mango, how to ask for prices, how much is it, shopping sentences, can I have blank, please? And of course, we met talking fruits. Now a small quiz for you. What do you say when you want to know the price? How much is it? What's another word for not expensive?
Cheap.
Say one fruit and one vegetable.
Maybe an apple and a carrot.
What do you say when you finish shopping?
Thank you very much.
Perfect. You're ready to go shopping anywhere in English.
That was fun, and now I'm hungry again.
Ha ha ha, me too. Let's go make a fruit salad.
Next time, we'll learn Lesson 9 at school, talking about classes, subjects, and friends.
That sounds exciting.
See you in the next lesson, friends.
Bye-bye.